If you're looking for the best Python courses on Coursera and wondering how to get the best deal, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll recommend the top Python courses for beginners and explain how you can save money if you plan to learn more than one skill. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus subscription, which is usually a much better value than purchasing individual courses. If you're completely new to programming, my top recommendation is Programming for Everybody: Getting Started with Python from the University of Michigan. It has an outstanding 4.8 star rating with more than 234,000 reviews. You'll learn Python syntax, variables, loops, functions, debugging, and the core programming concepts every beginner needs. If you're interested in data science or artificial intelligence, I recommend Python for Data Science, AI and Development by IBM. This beginner-friendly course teaches Python programming alongside NumPy, scripting, data collection, and data analysis, making it a great starting point for AI and analytics careers. Another excellent option is Python for Everybody, also from the University of Michigan. This highly rated specialization has more than 281,000 reviews and covers databases, web scraping, APIs, data structures, SQL, and real-world Python programming projects. Now let's talk about the deal. Individual Coursera learning programs typically cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you want to learn Python along with data science, machine learning, AI, web development, or software engineering, buying each program separately can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. You can earn unlimited certificates while exploring multiple career paths without paying for every learning program individually. If you're planning to build Python skills for a long-term career, Coursera Plus can save you money while giving you the flexibility to learn at your own pace. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.